Sit down. All right, sit down.
And now what?
Now fix your skirt.
Oh.
Okay. Now there is a pedal on the bottom. You have to press it. When you press it, it's gonna move. Ready?
Ready.
Go. Now this way, this way. Come on. Come on. Keep it straight. Straight, straight. Like that.
How can I go straight?
Keep it straight. Try to keep it straight. Come on. Come on, baby. Go Speed Racer, go Speed Racer, go Speed Racer, go.